समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकूतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति. पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं हेमंत ऋतुः पौषमासः शुक्लपक्षः द्वादशी तिथिः कृतिका नक्षत्रं साध्य योगः भवकरणं सौम्यवासरः. Today's date 31st of December 2025 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राद्धरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Let us contemplate this 26th shloka. Yesterday we saw the 25th one. Tatra pashyat sthitan parthah पितृनतः पितामहान् तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितृनत पितामहान्. आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीं तथा आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीं तथा Now all together. Tatra pashyat sthitan parthah पितृरथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितृरथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा. Let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasa. Yes, yeah. So where he is updating, is it not? So we saw yesterday. Eva Mukto Rishikeshu. After that, Bhishma Drona Pramukataha Sarveshancha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyetan Samavetan Kurun Iti. Look at these Kurus. He wanted, Krishna purposefully wanted to bring all the emotions from Arjuna. That is the reason why he took the chariot in front of Bhishma and Drona only, nowhere else. Because all his emotions, that is Bandhu Prema. Yes, this is the biggest drawback of us is Bandhu Prema. That Bandhu Prema could become Jagrata in Arjuna. That was the intention of Krishna. That is the counseling technique. How a person should be counseled, we should learn from Krishna. The first and the best patient in the history, medical history of psychology is Arjuna. He is a psycho patient. And the first and the best doctor or psychotherapist is Krishna only. There can never be anybody. That is how he is giving us all the ideas how to make it. He is bringing out all the emotions. Even in our counseling techniques also in Arogya Dharma, we should allow them to speak first. Let them speak whatever their problem is. Give 30 minutes time for them to speak. When they become vacant, completely when they become vacant, then it is easy. Then it is easy to counsel them. This is what? That is the action done by Krishna, directly bringing the chariot in front of Bhishma and Drona. See, Samavetan Kurun iti. Nodu, ninna kurugalannu nodu. Ninna gurugalannu nodu. ಗುರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬಂಧು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಜಾಗೃತ ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ he needs to go down psychologically further. When he breaks down completely, it is easy for counseling, for any counselor. So tatra apashyat, where Sanjay is updating, tatra apashyat, ನೋಡಿದನು ಯಾರನ್ನ? ಧೃತರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆಗ ಅರ್ಜುನ ನೋಡ್ದ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ದ? ತತ್ರ ಅಪಶ್ಯತ್ ಸ್ಥಿತಾನ್ ಪಾರ್ಥ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ ಅರ್ಜುನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ? ಪಿತೃನ್ ಅಥ ಪಿತಾಮಹಾನ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾತುಲಾನ್ ಭ್ರಾತೃನ್ ಪುತ್ರಾನ್ ಪೌತ್ರಾನ್ ಸಖೀನ್ ತಥಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶ್ವಶುರಾನ್ ಸುಹೃದಶ್ಚೈವ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ದ ಅಂತ. All these people he saw. Who are all these people? Tatra apashyat sthitan partha pitrun. ತಂದೆಯ ಸಮಾನರಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಪಿತೃ ಸಮಾನರು. ಪಿತೃ ಸಮಾನರು ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ. ಫಾದರ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್. But his father was not there. Pandava's father, he is not no more alive. But Dhritarashtra, he is Doddappa. He did not participate. Is it not? He cannot. But there are some personalities like fatherly like people. So like fatherly like people means when we go to the back of the history of Mahabharata, it is very important to know who is who in Mahabharata. That itself is a very big confusion. For anybody to start studying Mahabharata, ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸೋದು, it is not easy. You have to study a lot. You have to immerse, dive deep into the Mahabharata. Who is who to understand. Pratipaniಗೆ 3 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So that Pratipa Raja, Shantanu, Devapi. So all these 3 people, from there the history starts. So who is fatherly like? So Bahlika is also one of the king, the oldest. Even Bhishma's Doddappa, that is Bahlika Raja. So he becomes, his son is Somadatta, where Duryodhana already says Somadatta's son is Bhurishravas. Oh, it has been quoted by Duryodhana only in the previous shlokas. They are like fatherly. So Arjuna is having that in his mind, that these are the fatherly people there. Okay. Pitrun, Ata, Pitamaha. Pitamaha, Bhishmacharya is also there. He is for the first Pitamaha. So even after that, even Bahlika also becomes Pitamaha. So like people. So they are all those who participated in the war. Those who did not participate, there are many people. But who participated actively in the war and who are Pitamaha. So these are the Pitamaha. Bhishma Pitamaha is the one of the aged, and even aged than Bhishma is Bahlika Raja. Bahlika is one of the who was killed by Bhima only. Bhima only kills Bahlika. Bahlika Desha, which is nowadays we can call it as Punjab Desha. That is the Pakistan Punjab and Indian Punjab. All these are called as Bahlika. So please know all this. So these are all very important to understand better what is Mahabharata and who is who. Pitir Nadapitamahan, Acharyan. Again, three Acharyas are here. Who are the three Acharyas? Three Acharyas are, one is Dronacharya, another one is Kulaguru, Krupacharya, and Guruputra, Ashwatamacharya. He is also considered as Guruputra. These are the three Acharyas who are there on the battlefield fighting. So Arjuna is made to remember all these people forcibly. Acharyan, Matulan. Matula means mother's brothers. So Kunti's brother, Purujit Kunti Bhojascha Chaivyascha Narabungavaha, you have heard Duryodhana quoting that. Purujit and Kunti Bhoja, they are the Matulas. They are there already on the battlefield. Is it not? Matulan and Kunti's brothers over. Now Madri's brother also over there. Madri, Nakula Sahadeva's mother is Madri, you should know that. And Madri's brother also, they were there. And that makes them to remember Matula, Matulan, Bhratrun. Bhratrun means brothers. So many brothers are there. Even Duryodhana is also a brother, and along with him 100 brothers also. And even his brothers, Arjuna's brothers are also there, 4 other brothers. So all these people becoming 104 brothers, making him to remember here, bringing all Bhratra Bandhavya, Pitru Bandhavya, Pitamaha Bandhavya, Matula Bandhavya. Oh, this is something which is directly putting your hand into the brain, making him to emotionally outburst. This is what is the outburst which is making Arjuna to break down completely. And finally say that I don't want to fight with all these people. Why should I kill all these people? So Putran, after Bhratran, Putran. Definitely Arjuna had his son Abhimanyu there. Son like, there are many. Even Pautran. Pautran means grandchildren. Who was having grandchildren? Except Bhima, nobody had grandchildren at that time. Bhima's son, that is Ghatotkacha. Is it not? Hidimba's son, that is Ghatotkacha. So his son was also participating in the war. Nishtya. His name is Nishtya. Nobody would have heard this. That's why I told you, to understand who is who in Mahabharata, it takes many, many years actually. In spite of that, we may miss some of the other relationships here. Nishtya was the son of Ghatotkacha who took participation in the war. So that is Pautran. All these Bandhavya, Prema is coming like a very big whirlpool. Ukku harun barta ide. Yari Arjunanige. Sakhim stata. Sakhim means all the friends. Shvashuran. The next shloka it will come, but here it is the right apt to say that Shvashura means father-in-law. Definitely many father-in-laws. Kashi Raja was there. Even Duryodhana's father-in-law is Kashi Raja. Duryodhana's wife name nobody knows. Actually, nowadays people say Bhanumati. It is later kept, Namakarana done by Pandits. But in Mahabharata, Vedavyasa never says who is the wife. What is the necessity of knowing the name of Duryodhana? Tell me, Duryodhana's wife. It is of no use. So he has not mentioned, but people say Bhanumati, but it is not to be considered as authentic. Because Vedavyasa never told in Mahabharata Duryodhana's wife's name, but Duryodhana's wife's father, Kashi Raja only. Bhima's father-in-law is also Kashi Raja. Kali. Kali is the name of Bhima's wife. Bhima had done more marriages actually. So you should know all these things which will relate it to understanding of Arjuna's plight here. Shvashuran Suhridaschaiva. All the well-wishers like this. Both the Sainyas, Senayoha Ubhayorpi. So with all this looking into the vision, that makes Arjuna to crumble down. Then how Arjuna is going to respond to this vision and his tumula, what is happening in him, that we will see in tomorrow's. Okay? Hari Om Tat Sat.
Sarve bhavantu sukinaha, sarve santu
निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति